Okay, so we're here and I'm gonna do flats and reflex. We're gonna try and do an oppo whip over the step up here. If you guys hear some loud banging, that's just a massive thunderstorm outside. But here we go with the massive step up. Let's just roll up here to number 1. Let's go on our first try. Beautiful. Here's the third view of the oppo whip we just did. I'm gonna do this one for the fun of it. I'm gonna scrub that there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a massive whip on that step up. We just did an oppo whip on. The hard part is just gotta get the speed from all this right here. There it is. Beautiful.